Black pepper, fennel, and maple cured salmon. Are you kidding me? It's so simple to do and a perfect holiday appetizer. We're gonna toast our spices in a pan. We have coriander seed, we have fennel seed, we have some black pepper. We're gonna brush the top of the salmon with some maple syrup, and then we're gonna crush all of those spices together with some brown sugar and some salt. This would take a few seconds in a coffee grinder, but today I decided to get fancy with a mortar and pestle. It's just starting to toast, the aroma is releasing, the natural oils from the spices are coming out. Once you've worked out your frustrations on those spices, generously sprinkle over top of the salmon fillet, and then we're gonna throw this in the fridge. So it's absolutely perfect. We're gonna cover it and throw it in the fridge overnight. It's gonna start to get all of that love into that beautiful salmon fillet. Doesn't need to be a full day, just overnight is fine. It's gonna be delicious, a little bit denser, because of course the salt is gonna draw out some of the moisture. Rinsing it under cold water just to make sure that we get rid of any excess cure. And then look at the color of that fish. Really sharp knife, slicing it as thin as you can, on the biased, as we call it. It's really that absolutely gorgeous color and texture. You could eat this by itself, of course, but today I'm happy to create this beautiful flatbread. We're gonna mix together mascarpone cheese. You could use cream cheese, a little bit of lemon, a little bit of dill, a little bit of lemon zest, and then some black pepper. Really simple flavors that will complement the salmon nicely. Then we're gonna spread that evenly over our flatbread, and then laying our salmon on top of the flatbread in nice even layers. We're gonna garnish with some really thinly shaved fennel. You could add some arugula, you could add some super thin zucchini, tearing some fresh dill. You could add some fennel pollen if you've got that in the back of your pantry, some cracked pepper, a little bit more citrus, maybe some olive oil. Oh my goodness. Come on, look at this. This looks unbelievable. We gotta get in here and try this. This couldn't be a easier holiday appetizer. Johnny, is this yours? Oh, I think this is Johnny's. Don't be afraid of it. You didn't get enough fish in there, Johnny. You need another piece, because this cured salmon is so easy to do. We could go have our own party.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's get out of here. Of course, the party is always going to be sustainable. Would you like to try? Yes, please. Oh, yeah, perfect. That's the perfect bite. Do it. Nice. Right? Right?
No. Really good. Can I have the rest of it?
Yeah, you sure can.